¡Hostia! ¡Madre mía! ¡Ostras, los coches! ¡Ostras!
Esquí de fuera de pista porque hay avalanchas que son impredecibles. El 18 de enero fue una jornada.
¡Ostras!
Qué movida, ¿cuándo accidente había para allá?
Ahí abajo un coche, yo creo que le ha caído una valla encima.
Hostias.
A varios coches aparcados se le hundió el tejado.
Hostias,
Como un tornado ha sido.
Mirad la del agua. Madre mía.
¿Pero qué ha pasado? Sí, sí.
Un tornado, no sé si las
Sí, 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 es que lo he visto. Es que era un tornado, era un tornado.
Mira el milagro, mira. Mira cómo ha quedado todo. Lo ha arrancado a cuajo, macho. Ahora mismo, no me ha pillado, mira el milagro. Mira los árboles, mira los árboles.
The tornado in Plasencia leaves numerous damages to facades, roofs, and enclosures of the buildings of the Ministry of Health. 60% of the enclosure of the Siza Center, which has not yet been inaugurated, has been destroyed, while the Virgin del Porto Hospital continues its activity despite the damage.
No, yo subí para arriba, yo me iba al gimnasio. Un tornado de eso. Un tornado. Una de esos que se sube para arriba.
The tornado that struck Plasencia this Friday left significant material damage in its wake to several buildings belonging to the Ministry of Health and Social Services. Although the force of the phenomenon was brief, lasting 5 to 10 minutes, the wind gusts exceeded 120 km/h, enough to cause damage concentrated in the health and social care facilities in the north of the city, where the storm was most intense. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. According to the Regional Ministry of Health, the Siza Children's Center, located in Valcorchero and currently evacuated due to the final stages of construction, has suffered roof damage in its 6 residential buildings, which will require a detailed assessment by technicians. The center's main building also shows visible damage to both its facade and roof. In contrast, the multipurpose pavilion and the parking areas equipped with solar panels do not currently show significant damage. The tornado has significantly damaged the perimeter fence of the complex, affecting approximately 60% of its area. The interior of the complex has also suffered considerable damage, primarily from fallen trees that have blocked pathways and access points. At the Virgin del Porto Hospital in Plasencia, the damage was concentrated mainly in outdoor areas. Gusts of wind moved lightweight objects, lifted parking roofs, and caused trees and vegetation to fall, damaging more than 100 parked vehicles. These included cars belonging to healthcare staff and visitors, damaged by branches, overhangs, and other falling debris. In addition, the tornado caused damage to the roof of the parking garage and the roof of the outpatient clinic and laundry area. Despite this damage, no structural damage has been detected in the healthcare building so far, and hospital operations continue as normal, ensuring uninterrupted patient care. The Regional Ministry of Health and Social Services and the Extremadura Health Service have a current insurance policy with Zurich Insurance, which has already been informed of the incident. Currently, the necessary steps are being taken to assess and evaluate the damage, with the aim of planning repairs as soon as possible and restoring the affected facilities.
Madre de Dios. No, pues para llevar la pica para aquí adelante.